front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by accessing Play Store and getting free app called Files by Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then select Continue, select Allow, and click on gray switcher next to Allow Permission. Following that, select Clean on the left between those three lines and Browse section. Then tap on Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by selecting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!